Ako
Hmm,
siguro ang mas ano ko do'n, ang mas sagot ko doon sa mga, parents na meron pa ring religious beliefs at yun ang mananaig sa kanila. I think it's just about respect, respect ng beliefs. Kasi hindi rin naman natin puwedeng ipilit yung kung sino tayo, kung yung fundamental na
hmm,
paniniwala ng mga magulang natin ay iba.
mm,
So, siguro what we can ask for our parents, if hindi acceptance, is for them to respect. Respect na ito ako, respect that this is my choice, respect that I will choose to live my life in the way I know how. And I hope na kahit na ito yung pipiliin ko, maintindihan ninyo. So, respect and understanding if we can't get tolerance and acceptance from our parents. And yun din siguro yung hihingin ng mga magulang na yun.